I wanted to take a video or put something out there about this neat filter that we started using a few years ago called the Berkey Light water filter. We collect rainwater here, and it was necessary for us to filter the water because, you know, don't want to feel like we're licking our roof. This is the base that it sits on here, and the spigot. This lower unit right here is where our drinking water collects, and you fill this upper unit here, and these black filters in here filter the water just by gravity down into here. And we really like it, so we were cleaning it this morning and decided to go ahead and show you, put a video out and explain how it works. Here's the filter taken apart so you can see the different parts of it. This is these are the two filters here, and these little flutes sit inside of these holes, those two holes there, and that is the main container. This is the main container here that you put water in. It sits on the top, and it sits on top of this container here, which only has one hole in it down here in the bottom. That's it right here, and that hole is what you put this spout in so you can get your water out. So you can see it comes apart real easily. It's very easy to clean, and this container that you fill the water in sits on top of that one, and it sits like that. Let's go ahead and put these filters in here so that you can see how they go in after you clean them. My wife just cleans them with you know, a toothbrush, right?
Actually, green scrubby.
Green scrubby. And how often do you clean them?
I don't have a set time. I just clean it when I feel like it's not filtering as fast as I want it to.
Okay. And that
would, for us, because we're on rainwater, that means that it's more often in the spring because of all the pollen in the water than in this winter when there's nothing in the air.
You can go ahead and put that spout on there. She's going to attach the water spout so that that's what you use to get the water, filtered water, out of that hole. While she's doing that, I'll explain this base. There's two types of bases that the thing sits on. This one is has some LEDs in it. You can see that it lights up. What it does is it lights up we use it as a night light. You plug it into the wall and it charges some batteries. We're also on solar power here, so it's real nice to have those LEDs, which take no power at all, use it as a night light in the evening. And when we do have the inverter off, these lights still light up. So she's got that put together. It's almost done now. This snaps on to the base like so. Yeah. We'll snap that on after, and then this goes on. That goes on the top there where the water goes on. We got the whole unit put together, and we're going to go ahead and fill it with water and show you how it filters. That's about a half a gallon there, and it fills it up to well, you can see the water level there, and here's another gallon of water going in. We just about want you to get some more. Okay, and here we are putting another half gallon of water in there. That'll completely cover the filters. Now the filters have filled up with water, and you can see how fast it's dripping here. In a couple of hours we'll have plenty. This thing will be full of water down here. Usually takes a few hours to empty that thing, and when we have guests over, there's tons of water to drink from here. We'll know they're coming, and we get a few extra pitchers out and fill those with water ahead of time. We've heard of some folks that drill 2 more holes in on the other side here and put 4 of these filters in, and they make water twice as fast. But we haven't had a need for that. These filters, being that we're on rainwater, we're not even on city water, these filters last for years. We've heard of some people using them a very long time. Depends on how long you keep them, or how well you keep them clean. Oh, here's the little barrette, sits on top there and covers that water supply, keeps dust and whatever out, although that would be filtered anyway. So there it is running, and we'll turn the light on. Here, I'll shut the house light off here, and that's what it looks like. With this is a blue light. You can get a white light also, and as you can see, it illuminates the room quite well. We use it for when we're watching TV or whatever. It keeps the kitchen lit up, and we can go and get stuff out of the fridge and whatnot without having to turn a light on, which is important when you're on solar power here, like I said. Alright, that's the Berkey light. We love it. You would too.